Good morning students, today we will read the second chapter of value education, that is punctuality and success. So what is meant by punctuality? Means we should be on time wherever we want to go or whatever we want to do. And success means if you work hard, you will definitely get success in your life. Here is a small thought. Lack of punctuality is not only a sign of disrespect to others but also makes us miss great opportunities. Means if you are not punctual on time or if you are not punctual on your work, then you will disrespect others but also miss some best chances in your life. Here is a small story based on this lesson. The punctual colors. A long time ago, when it was beginning of everything and even the planets and the stars were still very young, they all went to God's school to learn how to work well. There were a special class which was everyone's favorite. It had the most funny classmates. The class members were a bunch of rather happy and naughty colors: black, white, red, yellow, blue, green, violet, orange, and indigo. They hoped to grow up to be wonderful and useful colors, and this is what they were being trained for. Black and white were particularly naughty. They were so busy causing mischief that they were almost always late for class. One morning there was a great commotion in the sky. The clouds, while practicing their raining, rained so hard that they created a terrible storm. This left everyone depressed and sad. Even when the sun started shining again, the world was not able to get over the storm and was still upset. God wanted to bring smiles back on everyone's faces. The only solution he could think of was to appeal to the colors. Even though they were very young, God went to their classroom and found that all the colors were present except for black and white. They were as usual late. However, there was no time to lose and they could not wait for black and white. Thus, God told the other colors to do something fast. The colors ran down the corridors and flew up into the sky, where the clouds, ashamed of what had happened, were waiting. On their way up to the clouds, each color left a majestic trail. Traveling side by side, the combination of all the colors was so striking and spectacular that smile returned to everyone's faces and the world was happy again. Thus, it was decided by all that whenever the clouds overdid the rain, the colors would come quickly and make a rainbow. A little later, black and white entered the classroom and found it empty. They went out and saw everyone congratulating the other colors. Black and white, because of the habit of coming late, were left out of the rainbow. From that day, they trained themselves to be punctual and responsible. They managed this so well that they too became very important colors. So, you should be punctual and respect others. Try to read this lesson. Thank you.